All right, what's going on? Mr. Putnam, this is the last tutorial video. So we've talked about warm-ups, which are 10% of your grade. We've also talked about watching those 3 videos, which is 10% of your grade. This is the last thing. So this one's going to be worth 80% of your grade. 80%. So the majority of your grade is coming from this. All right? 10% from warm-up, just a little bit. 10% from the videos, just a little bit, and 80% from this. So this is going to be the most challenging part. I'm not going to lie to you. The other ones are pretty basic, not super challenging at all. Make sure you are watching the videos, taking those notes, doing the best you can. But let's go ahead and talk about this 80%. So I'm going to move myself off to the side. All right. Once again, all the warm-ups, I explained that. If you guys haven't seen that video, it is going to be posted under assignments. And it is something I would like for you to watch. You're not going to understand anything if you don't watch these videos. Week 1 video, we just talked about that one. And the last one, remember you had to watch topic 1, 3, and 6. So now we're getting to this, okay? The week 1 test yourself assessment, okay? If I hover over the I, it says section 1, test your self-assessment. All right. We're going to the same spot we did for the video. So we're going to Algebra Nation again. All right. I'm going to go up to Clever. And once you're in Clever, you're going to click on Algebra Nation. All right. It's going to take you to this screen. All right. Section 1 is what we're talking about the week of Monday, right? The 30th. That's going to be week 1. Section 1, down here at the bottom, it says Section 1, test yourself. Okay? You can take this as many times as you want. You can take this assessment 70 times this week or next week, starting on Monday. You can take it 70 times if you want, as many times as you want. I will take your highest grade. All right? 70 is a lot. I wouldn't recommend doing it that many times, but whatever floats your boat. All right? I'm going to end up clicking on it to show you what happens. Okay? This is a really good tool because it gives you the answer of every question you missed. I've taken it like 4 times, 5 times. I failed all of them on purpose because I know all of you guys are going to be like, man, this is the biggest part of my grade. I'm going to immediately go in and attempt it, which is great. It will show you view results and it will show you all of the answers, okay? And it doesn't just show you an answer, it shows you how to solve it as well. So question 1, I missed it. If I press try again, it shows me the problem, the wrong answer, and the correct one, all right? If you don't understand how they got that, you can click on watch solution and it shows you a video. And I mean, the videos are like 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes. Some of them are 30 seconds. They're short. It literally just shows you how to solve the problem. Okay. And then over here, it tells you what topic it covers. So for example, you're watching the videos of topic 1, 3, and 6. Where are the majority of these questions coming from? 6, 6, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3. There's one from topic 9, but the majority of them are from 1, 3, and 6. All right? You do not get the same test your self assessment every single time you take it. There are only so many questions, so there will be repeat questions eventually. All right? But I'd recommend doing the best you can. If you guys just try to cheat and wait for the same questions to come about, it might just take you longer doing that than actually just trying it to get a good grade, probably within the first like 2 or 3 tries. Okay? This is 80% of your grade. If there's any part that you have a question on, this will be it. Okay? This is the big, big thing, 80% of your grade. The last good part of news is I'm going to drop your lowest score. So I believe you have to take 8 of these this term. I will drop your lowest one. So if your lowest one is in week 1 at the end of the term, the grade's gone. Okay? So whatever your lowest one is, I will drop. So if your lowest one is a 2 out of 10, I'll drop that too. Okay? So it can help your grade. All right, guys? This is going to end up being key. This is where the majority of your grade is coming from. You can take this as many times as you want. It gives you the answer. It shows you how to get the solution. It tells you what topic to go back and rewatch if you didn't understand it. All right. It is virtual school. I can only hope so much. All right. I'm sorry for all of this. It's crazy. I'd much rather be in class with you guys being sarcastic and being a pain. Because I still like you guys. At least we got to shoot water balloons. That was one bonus. Um, if you guys have questions, post them in Teams. If you're having any issues finding where to post those questions, message me on Focus and the Messenger. I'm here to help. I'm going to do everything I can to make sure you're successful, guys. Um, and honestly, since it's virtual school, take a break. Don't just sit at your screen and try to knock this out like in 6 straight hours. I mean, every 30 minutes or so, I have to like go take a stroll around the house or walk outside and relax for like 10 minutes. You can't just sit and stare at a screen forever. Remember, all of you guys are awesome. You're amazing. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns, anything at all. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.